Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And maglalaro na nga tayo ng scary trolling. Kasi mahirap tong laruin.
Kala ko ano yung glitch.
Wala. Tinamahulog. Ay! Gagi, parang parating na ata yung ano. Hoy! Hoy! Go, go, go! Trolling! What? Ah! Ay! Ay! Ah! Ah! Let's go, guys. Parang nandito na ata siya. Gagi! Nandun na nga. Parating na. Ay! 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 Yusho! Ay! 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 Yusho! Ah! Okay. Hello? Oh. Okay. OMG. Muntikan na. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Nababaliw ako. Scary pala to. Bobo. Ay, grabe. Scary pala yan. Parang snake. Snake pala siya.
You're freaking
Snake.
sick.
Scary.
You're fucking shit.
Don't please troll me. Don't please troll me. Please, do not troll me. Hey! 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 Oh, wala na. Join the group and like the game to get response. Okay? Wala akong ganyan. Huwag niyo ako bayain. Mr. Bean, parang kamo ata Mr. Bean eh. Gagi. No. Ba! Boom! 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 Ay! Wala! Ah!
Tanga.
Bye-bye. Ah! Ay! Kadan ka. ST, ano ka? Bobo ka. Okay, nandun pala. Ay, gagi. Dalawa pala sila. Mama! Ay! Yusho! Yusho! Ay! I want to troll. Gagi dito.
Wow, everything I tried tastes good. Step 4, try pizza.
Receive! Ay!
Oh, that was the best thing yet.
Okay. Parang baliw. Di ka na ako matakot sa yung snake ka? OMG, girl. That is so
The next
creepy.
step.
This is so creepy, girl.
The next step.
Huwag niyo ako anin. Huwag niyo ako anin. Huwag niyo ako anin. Please lang. Please kang snake ka. Please kang snake ka. Hantayin mo na lang ako. Ano magiging? Okay. Still safe na siya. Still safe. Ah! Somewhere else, umaano siya palagi. Siren head lang yan. Siren head lang yan, guys. Siren head. Pinapanood ng ano ko.
Citizens of the United States of America.
Bitch! Bitch! Bitch!
There have been sightings of a large fluffy creature
Ang
in the
cute.
states of Montana and Idaho.
Gogi, kinain niyo yung ano.
To be over 1 kilometer tall.
Bibilisan mo.
And
Grabe ka,
picking
gago.
up humans with its tongue and blood devouring them. It was completely necessary to put the whole nation on lockdown.
Gogi, parating na sa'yo,
Immediately
Gotch.
traveled to another location. Here is some helpful information in how to survive.
Ay!
Okay,
Ay!
doors and windows and anything that can be seen through from outside. Do not let
Ay! Ay! Ay!
no matter what, especially if it hide inside your home far away from any windows
Oh.
and doors. And
Okay.
lastly, be quiet. If that creature hears you, ignore the
Gagi. Ano to? What
If
is
the
this?
creature is in your